Alright folks, we have a 2007 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited X here, 116,000 miles, new tires right there, looks very good. Tires, like I said, new. Undercarriage is just pristine, looks like a new one. We do got some step sides coming for it. The matte black ones, they look very good. But I don't have them in yet. There's the undercarriage again, folks. Super nice Jeep. Soft top. The top's got a couple tears, I guess you could say, in it. One right here from flipping the top over, just having the front of it up. They all kind of do that in time, and this is an 11-year-old Jeep, but a very clean one. Back around to the side. Like I say, she's all there. I'll show you the inside here. It is a 6-speed manual, clean inside, very clean. Let me show you guys the hood, or under the hood here. 3.8 V6. That's just about all of them are. There it is, guys. It's running. AC is cold inside. Been running here. It does come with a 30-day warranty, powertrain, at no cost to the customer. Got fog lights on the bottom. Of course, four-wheel drive. If y'all got any other questions, feel free to give me a call at 540-631-7230. Check us out online at www.eliteautosalesva.com. You can apply for a loan online there for financing. You can shoot me questions, you can call me, email me, whatever. All right, guys, thank you for your time. Bye-bye.